of myself as a pretty practical person. It might be why I was named most likely to have a well-diversified stock portfolio by the age of 30. Or because I won our school spelling bee 7 consecutive times. You want to know something that's not very practical? Replacing your $1,000 smartphone every year to get the new model, which is basically the same as the old one, except with no headphone jack. Not only does it cost an arm and a leg every time, but spoiler alert, it's terrible for the environment. Humans produce over 45 million tons of electronics waste every year. Poor little guy's never had a chance. Now I know what you're thinking. Patricia, I don't like wasting my money on a new phone every year, and I don't want to trash the environment either, but also, I need a phone that actually works. Well, don't worry. I got you, boo. Introducing Teracube, the practical smartphone that kicks ass. So you might be thinking to yourself, Patricia, that looks just like my smartphone. Teracube is just like your flagship smartphone, except it's more affordable and designed to last without slowing down. Teracube wants you to have a smartphone that sticks by your side through thick and thin. The peanut butter to your jelly, the whip to your nay-nay. That's why Teracube comes with a 4-year warranty, and not just any old boring warranty. Teracube gives you white glove service, free shipping, and express replacement. That means if something's wrong, just let them know, and they'll send you a new one before you even send yours back. Thanks. Teracube's warranty also comes with free battery replacements. So when your battery life starts going downhill like your favorite Jamaican bobsled team, you can just swap it out for a new one. Still not convinced? Let's break it down. 128 gigabytes of internal storage means you'll never have to choose between those photos from your grandma's birthday and your extensive collection of Norwegian Viking metal ever again. Octa-core 2 GHz CPU means goodbye to load times and hello to sweet, sweet multitasking. Oh, sorry, just checking on the old index funds. The 3400 milliamp all-day battery means you'll never be stranded without a ride at your weird cousin's wedding ever again. Oh yeah, and one more thing, it comes with a headphone jack. Yeah, you heard me right. You can plug the headphones directly into the phone. Crazy, right? We live in a crazy future world, and you need a smartphone that can keep up with your busy life. But that doesn't mean that you need to waste money and trash the environment. Teracube gives you everything that you need in a smartphone and none of the BS that you don't, with a design that's built to last and a premium warranty to back it up. The complete package, like the Buzz Aldrin of smartphones. So if you're a human who uses a smartphone and you like not lighting your money on fire and destroying the environment, then join us. And let's make smartphones a little more practical.